shake is literally so good. It is a Frappuccino. What's up, you guys? It's your girl Taylor. So today we're gonna actually make a protein shake Frappuccino. It is Cocoa Pebbles inspired because it's nice and chocolatey. This is low sugar, low calorie protein shake. I just might be onto something. I'm excited. I'm sure you can actually do this with vanilla protein. I love chocolate protein, so that's what we're gonna be doing today. This is low calorie, it is vegan. It's a nice treat if you are literally trying to eat healthy but you want something sweet and chocolatey. This is perfect for you. Low calorie, low sugar, high protein, so stay tuned.